morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some clearing skies across the region, and nice to see the sun coming out after we had a few days of cloudy conditions, dreary weather from the nor'easter. Starting to see some improving conditions, and we'll see a nice day across the region today. Temperatures in the lower 70s for highs. We'll see winds under criteria levels, and we'll also see no chance of precipitation or lightning. So a fair day across the region. We'll see a dry cold front moving through for later this evening. That's going to give us some slightly breezy winds after work hours for this evening. And then we'll see some breezy conditions and cooler fall-like weather for our Thursday, and continue with that cooler weather for our Friday. So taking a look at our current surface analysis. In general, high pressure building in briefly from the west, and we'll have this cold front moving through the region for later this evening, and that's going to give us Canadian high pressure building in for Thursday into Friday. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see that low cloud starting to move off the coast and filter down the peninsula. That's going to be the case throughout the rest of the day, and we'll see in general anywhere from mostly sunny skies this morning into the afternoon. We'll see partly cloudy skies as this low cloud has quickly moved off the coast and down the peninsula. Once we move into the late afternoon hours, we'll see this mid-level cloudiness off to our north and to our west across Pennsylvania and northern Maryland start to filter down with that cold front approaching the area. Looking at the radar as well as the surface analysis as well. Once again, you can see we do have that northwesterly flow this morning, that cold front across Pennsylvania. Some showers with that across Pennsylvania will dry up as they move towards the region. And in general, we'll see a chilly night. You can see here the National Weather Service has issued some frost and freeze advisories and warnings across western Maryland as well as West Virginia. In those areas will see some cooler temperatures in the 30s overnight. Tonight we'll see temperatures here in the 40s, so we'll feel much like fall tomorrow morning. And taking a look at the HRM model for today and tomorrow, you can see we'll see that cloud cover move out of the region, and then some mid-level cloudiness built in for later this afternoon with that cold front ahead of that moving through the region. Then overnight we'll see mostly clear skies in general, some slightly breezy winds, and then for Thursday we'll see some breezy conditions but plentiful sunshine, temperatures only reaching into the lower to mid-60s across the peninsula. Looking at our extended forecast here on the European model, you can see that high pressure builds in for Thursday, fairly tight pressure gradient across the region, so giving us a good chance of seeing a wind advisory for Thursday afternoon. For Friday, we'll see high pressure building over the region. That's going to give us some lighter winds, but still seeing those chilly temperatures in the 60s. For Saturday, high pressure starts to build off the coast. That's going to give us more of a return flow and slightly warmer conditions. And Sunday, we'll see that high building off the coast. We'll see return flow ahead of a cold front that's going to move through on Sunday night to Monday. That's going to give us some slightly warmer conditions as well as some breezy weather out of the south for Sunday. And for Monday, European here does cut off this as an upper level low across the region, giving us a good amount of rainfall as well as a chance of a thunderstorm late Sunday into Monday. Right now, this is the most amplified solution of the models, so could be seeing this trend towards this solution here with the European model, but right now looks like we'll have a good chance of rainfall late Sunday into Monday morning, and then looks like should be clearing out for Monday afternoon. And for Tuesday of next week, we'll see in general high pressure building in the region. So looking at our Risk chart for the day, we'll see a high today around 73, low tonight of 45 degrees. We'll see those slightly breezy winds throughout the day, gusting to 19 knots. For later this evening, we'll see a gust possible up to 23 knots with that cold front and some cold air advection, giving us some slightly breezy conditions. And that 23 knot gust is the only color on the chart between 20 local and midnight tonight. As far as the 24-hour terminal forecast goes, we'll see those low ceilings in the region. Looks like about the next half an hour, and then we should see ceilings above 3,000 feet thereafter. And looks like we'll see VFR conditions the next several days as that large area high pressure builds in behind the cold front tonight. Our tides are running about 1 foot above normal. Looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, mostly sunny, breezy, and cooler, high 62. Thursday night, mostly clear and slightly breezy early, low 43, and for Friday, mostly sunny and slightly breezy, high 63 degrees. Orange condition for our winds on Thursday. Should see those winds gusting around 25 knots. With the northwesterly flow, drier conditions that allow for better mixing throughout the day and seeing some breezy conditions. For Friday and Thursday night, green conditions across the board. So next 7 days, we'll see temperatures start to rebound on Saturday at 67, Sunday 71. Monday, we'll see temperatures in the upper 60s at 68 degrees and 67 on Tuesday. Best chance of rain and a high-end prob here for a probability once we move into early next week at 70% for Monday morning. Looks like a good chance we see around a quarter to a half an inch of rainfall with the system moving through as it appears now. Things could change several days out, but it looks like a good chance of rain to start the work week next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.